Hello children, today we are going to learn about adverbs of degree. Let us revise adverbs. What are an adverbs? An adverbs describe or gives more information about a verb, an adjective or modifies another adverb. Example, an adverbs are words that modify a verb. He drove slowly. Here you can see the verb is drove and adverb is slowly, which is describing the verb drove. How he is driving? He is driving slowly. So here it is describing a verb. So it is an adverb. An adjective, he drove a very fast car. So here very is adverb and fast is adjective, and it is giving more information about fast. So it is an adverb. Another adverb, she moved quite slowly down the alley. So you can see here that slowly is an adverb, and again the adverb quite is also an adverb which is qualifying or giving more information about the another adverb slowly. Now the kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner. She moved slowly and spoke quietly. How the work has been done, what is the manner? That is called adverb of manner. Adverb of place. She has lived on the island all her life. So you can see here it is telling us the place where she is living. She is living on the island. She still lives there now. Again it is telling us a place. Adverbs of frequency, like how many times. She takes the boat to the mainland every day. She often goes by herself. Adverb of time. She tries to get back before dark. It's starting to get dark now. She finished her tea first. She left early. So you can see here in all the sentences it is telling us the time. Adverbs of purpose. She drives her boat slowly to avoid hitting the rocks. So here we can see the purpose. She shops in several stores to get the best buys. Again it is giving the reason, so it is an adverb of purpose. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tells us the strength or intensity of something that happens. Many adverbs are gradable, that is, we can intensify them. Basically, these degree of adverbs answer the sort of question that asks how much or how little. Like they are tired. How much they are tired? They are extremely tired. We played badly. How much we played? We played very badly. That idea is stupid. That idea is completely stupid. So it is telling us the degree. Some more examples. It was an interesting book. It was a fairly interesting book. Again, it is telling us degree. I was excited. I was really excited. Maria looked upset. Maria looked rather upset. I am afraid I disagree. I am afraid I totally disagree. So, in all these sentences, we can see the degree. We can use sorry and really before an adjective or adverb to make it stronger, and extremely to make it very strong. Like, this cake is really nice. They work extremely hard. We can use quite, fairly, and a bit before an adjective or an adverb to make it weaker. When we want to make an adjective or an adverb weak, we will use these quite, fairly, a bit. Like Maria sings fairly well. The film is quite interesting. We usually use a bit with a negative adjective or adverb. Whenever we want to use negative sentence, we are using a bit. I feel a bit tired. Quite comes before a and an. So we live in quite a small house. Whenever there is the vowel a and an, we use quite. Very, really, extremely, and fairly come after a or an. My parents' house has got an extremely big garden. We do not use a bit plus adjective plus noun. It's a bit long film. So here is a list of degree of adverbs: almost, absolutely, awfully, badly, barely, completely, decidedly, deeply, enough, enormously, entirely, extremely, fairly, far, fully, greatly, hardly, highly, how, incredibly, indeed, intensely, just, least, less, little, lots, must, much, neatly, perfectly, positively, practically, pretty, purely, quite, rather, really, scarcely, simply, so, somewhat, strongly, terribly, thoroughly, too, totally, utterly, very, virtually, well. I hope the concept is clear to you all. Thank you, children.